So over 50,000 sets have been sold here at QVC of these Energizer 10-piece solar multi-direction disc lights. It comes with a 2-year warranty. $49.99 is your clearance price. You are saving $24 from the original QVC price. And $949.50. These were so wildly popular, and if you've bought sets before, this would be a great moment to add to your collection if necessary. These are so smart. I have them along my walkway, and I love it for that safety element, but it also just illuminates my space so beautifully. You could even put these in the garden and so much more. And they're solar powered, so no ugly wires. We have for you our gray and our stone white. That's it. We lost 2 options, and you're getting 10 pieces for $16.66. Nick Antalik, he brings us pieces for our home that are just super smart like he is. So welcome on into the show.
Well, it's been great shopping along with you and watching. It's been a fun show, but I'm so excited about these guys right here because this is brand new last season from Energizer. Instead of those lights that you traditionally see that shine down on the ground, we're talking vertical up lighting. So if you think about those wonderful restaurants, high-end restaurants, or that really, really nice house in the neighborhood, think about how this is going to highlight the landscaping, the architecture of your house. It's a brand new way to style and improve your space from Energizer.
Truly, and it does come with the removable ground stakes, which is nice, and Energizer, right? A brand that we know and trust for all things batteries, lights, portable lighting units like this. I mean, it's just a really, also an affordable way, Nick, I think, to really just spruce up your space.
That guy right there, he gets all the credit because, listen, the idea of a solar product is a great concept, but so many of us have been disappointed by solar, right? So the difference here is that Energizer battery inside. So I'll start from the top. Each one of these lights has 10 different surface mount diode lights, 6 on the top, multi-directional, 4 additional on the sides. Now, each of these 10 lights is going to give you 20 lumens of light, but at Energizer, they don't just test them when they first come on. After 8 hours, they maintain 90% of that same bright glow. So for me, this is what I did in my house. A house built in the 1950s, no street lights, before dark, gloomy, after you immediately see. Now I use the stakes there, but in the backyard, I'm able to, for the first time, place them right down on the deck. And now I'm able to enjoy that space all through the winter, summer months because these lights are built to last. And each and every night, without having to set a timer, the lights go down, these lights come on.
I love that. And there's no cost of ownership. Like, I love it.
Right.
I don't have to pay for, extra electricity. For me, I always hate when you have all those wires. It could just look very, I don't know, it's just not aesthetically pleasing. So I love that I have these along the walkway. They really do give that elegant feel to your outdoor space. Now we have 2 options left. I own the stone white. I personally love these. You also have the gray, and this is clearance, so no reorders here. $49.99. That's a $24 savings off of that $74 QVC price, and $949.50. Over 50,000 sets have been sold here at the Q, Nick.
It's super impressive, but literally, I mean, for 15 years, we've been bringing Energizer lights, but they're the traditional lanterns. Last year was the first time we ever brought these vertical lights, and the big thing here is that you're getting the Energizer quality. So other lights that may look like this aren't built with the same great housing plastic. They don't have the same solar crystalline panel. They definitely don't have the multi-directional side lights on there as well. But we've heard from so many customers over the last year who said this has changed the game on the way they've been able to decorate and light their house. Again, there's a reason why people spend thousands of dollars to get hardwired up lights trenched into their house that they pay electricity bills for. The reason is because they want a consistent light when the lights at dusk the whole way till dawn. Now, for the first time from Energizer, you're getting that same great quality. And the best part is you can move them. So right out of the box, they come charged. In 10 minutes, you're going to have this beautiful effect. But as plants grow, as you cut them back throughout the season, you can move them from place to place. And because these tabletop, you can now work on tabletop, If you're having a party, just move them from the front yard to the backyard, and you're going to be able to style and illuminate and really enjoy your space like never before.
Yeah, it looks like you've paid someone. I mean, looking at your photos, it looked like you
Oh,
paid
thank you.
someone really to come in and install those
No.
lights. And they really are so bright. They're beautiful. And it's less than $5 a light if you were to break it up for that price. I mean, it's truly a steal. People at home are loving this, and you have that gray, very popular. You also have the stone white, and if you purchase them separately, it would be $87.40. So great clearance price. You have that easy pay available to you, $16.66. And these are fade and weather resistant. So I love that, Nick, because I mean, mine have been out through this entire season, through the snow, through the rain, and I never feel worried or nervous that they're not going to light up as bright at night.
No, that's a challenge, right? These ABS plastic, right, is really, really tough. So I've walked on top of these by accident. It's not a problem. When we talk about colors specifically, these look, when you put them down into the ground, they kind of completely blend away. You don't see those lights during the day, but during the night, they automatically come on, and I'm able to get that uplighting glow. Again, we're talking about vertical lighting, highlighting the architecture, highlighting the plants that you have, shining up off the ground, and it makes a huge, huge impact. I was blown away at how that kind of changed the look because, again, for years and years, we've sold lights that shine down on the ground, but by turning that around and putting it into the ground, now you have that vertical lighting, which is going to make a huge impact in your space.
Yeah, and you have the opportunity to take the stakes off too. So you get 10 stakes, 10 lights. And you said when you get these home that they are charged right out of the box, which is so nice because you could just put them out and start enjoying them as soon as the sun goes down.
Exactly. But then you can move them from place to place. So right out of the box, you're getting 10. Place these into the ground. If you want a little bit of a different angle, go out and move it the next day. But the great thing here is that Energizer quality, from the Energizer battery inside to the solar crystalline panel, which is going to charge them up to get that 20 lumens of brightness. The multi-directional means that you have the 4 additional lights, so as you're approaching, you can see them as you go. That high impact resin construction is the reason why you can leave them outside and they're going to last for years and years. But the big thing here is that 90% after 8 hours. What that means for me is that they look like they are consistent the whole night through. People have gotten these in the last year and absolutely love them. How you leave them out through winter, summer, spring. These are always going to have that beautiful effect and give you the uplighting that you're looking for.
Yeah, and they're sizable too, 5 inches in diameter. So, you know, you're getting a lot of light, but these have a great presence to them. This is your stone white. And then we have gray. We started out with 4 options. We're down to our last 2. Gray is very popular, so don't wait, because once these are sold out, they're gone for good. That's what happens when we put things on clearance. So opportunity for you to get multiple sets and think of all those places in your garden, your outdoor space that you want to add that beautiful light without the fuss, without the electric bills, without the wires. And 94950, give us a call, 800-500-7590. Nick, we have about 30 seconds left. Anything else you want to tell our friends at home?
Listen, if you're like me, you've been disappointed with other solar products in the past, whether they start off bright and then kind of fade away throughout the night, or maybe you have to buy them again season after season. These lights from Energizer, exclusively here at QVC, will truly impress you with the light output, stay bright from dusk till dawn, and most importantly, last for many, many seasons to give you the exact look you're looking for.
Amazing. So you're getting 10 pieces home. You're getting that 2-year warranty. And at a crazy good clearance price, $49.99. These have been wildly popular since they debuted last year. We lost 2 color options. We're down to the very popular gray. And then we have stone white, M94950. Nick, thank you so much for joining us today. Have a great rest of your night.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. So we saw this earlier.